Hello, my dear friends. I hope you people are doing great and having fun and enjoying the day and doing some artwork, and that's why you are related to me, to my channel. I love that. So, today is World Book Day. You know that. And if you don't know, I must tell you that today is World Book Day, and that's why I am painting one bookshelf. So, I'm very much attached to it, and since a long time I thought of painting one bookshelf, but somehow I didn't make it, but today I am doing. So actually I love reading books. Whenever I get some time, I love reading books, if not too much, still little bit. Sometimes I do love it, and I have some good books, and I think we all should read books. We should spend some time in reading good books. So actually my father was a great fan of books, and he used to read a lot of books, and he had so many that can be from Indian mythology, it can be from literature, from world literature. I'm not telling those books are only from India or something. He used to read a lot of books from around the world, and there was a series called World's Greatest Artists, and I used to love that series. I still have that. My father is no more there with us, but still I remember him whenever I come across so many books, even if it is a picture or any bookstore or it's a World Book Day, that I remember him because he had lots of books and in shelves and in a room. So we used to call it a library because he had so many, and he loved to read it. And he used to read in all 4 languages, that is books in English, books in Hindi, books in Odia, and books in Sanskrit. So he could read and understand all these 4 languages, and that's why today I am recalling him, and I thought of painting this bookshelf. It's a hanging bookshelf, and my vision of a beautiful cozy bookshelf in my room. I don't have it right now, but in future I would like to have this type of bookshelf in my room, in my bedroom. So let us see how I make it, and this is the process going to be very relaxing and enjoying. So relax and watch my video, and if you want you can also bring your colors and start painting the way I am painting. So this is how I am making the painting of a bookshelf, and in the comment section let me know what type of books you enjoy a lot, what or which one is your favorite book, and yes, what type of books you love to read again and again. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, watch my videos and like my videos, and also share my videos with your friends, with your like-minded friends. Yeah, so they can also enjoy the process. And making art is a beautiful thing, and if you are not doing, start doing it today. You must enjoy it. It's very relaxing, and don't just keep scrolling the shorts and reels and all those things. They are good for entertainment for a short time, but to be creative, to feel satisfied with your work, with your day, with what you have achieved, what you can do, to realize your capability, your skills, to explore your skills, you must do some art. It's very enjoying. The process is enjoying. That's why I love doing art. I'm related to it, and I hope you are enjoying this painting. Watercolor is itself very relaxing, as I have told, and so I hope to meet you soon in next video, and we'll talk to you more about art and my interest in art and all those things. And have a wonderful day. Bye bye.